Alright, so it's been a while since the last video, so please don't mind. Anyways, I couldn't upload in a while since I had like tests in school, and I've kind of lost focus on game dev. But that's a thing of the past now. So anyways, we're going to be So here's what I hope to achieve. So firstly, I want to add a timer. Secondly, I want to make some new levels. And lastly, I want to put this game on a certain fast website. So let's start. First, I'm going to start off with the timer. So basically, we click this, this, and this. And there we go. We have a timer. I think it's pretty good. Anyways, now it's time to make some new maps. So with my newfound map knowledge, I'm basically going to copy and paste the last level and pretty much change the arrangements and add new areas basically. Alright, so after doing this, we have 3 more levels. Alright, so the update is pretty much done. So now I'm going to be telling you about the secret website in the starting. So basically, I want to put this game on speedrun.com and see what you guys can do. If you guys get some good runs, unlike me, you can show me on my Instagram or Twitter account, it doesn't matter. Anyways, in order to do this, all we have to do is request a game and type a professional resume. Wait, what? Okay, you know what this means. Okay, after speedrunning the game, we got a message to wait, so hopefully this game gets approved and hopefully it comes after this video does. Also, I have a Discord server now, so if you want to talk, hang out, you can join. Link in description. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.